Simply Beautiful box! Today I am opening my Simply Beautiful box from BC Living. I get these 4 times a year and they always have good things in them. Janine, who is a friend of mine and the editor, picks out great things. So today I thought I would share with you the opening of one of my Simply Beautiful boxes. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. Today, I am doing an unboxing of the Simply Beautiful Editor's Box from BC Living. How cute is this box? I know that these guys put a ton of work into it. Janine is the editor of the magazine, and I know this is hand-picked and curated by her. Every time I get one of these boxes, I'm pumped. Let's go through it. So we're gonna open it up. First things first, a note comes in with the Simply Beautiful box. This says, a note from Simply Beautiful. Spring is a time of renewal and growth, so we've taken our cues from nature this season and offered items to help you get a fresh start. Whether that's wearing a hot trend or trying out a new dish, we've packed our spring edition of the Simply Beautiful box with treasures to motivate you to make a positive change. And so you start off on the right foot. We've included some of our favorite products to nourish you after a hard, long winter. Thanks, Janine. Very cool. So I'm gonna put this card down, and the first thing that I see on the very top is a notepad. And it says, done and done. And it is a checklist, and oh boy, do I ever need this. I have little scraps of paper all around my house, especially in my office here, which I clean up when I'm filming. But I write down lists of things that I need to do, and then I scratch them off, and then I start a new paper. So this is really cool. Let me have a little read about it. 50 sheets of paper on this notepad for spring, things I need to do. I love it. I'm gonna fill it all up, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Notepad. So the next thing I see is these tassel earrings from Olive and Piper. How cute are these? Tassel earrings are a huge trend right now. And it's so funny because yesterday I was pulling clothes for shooting today, and I saw tassel earrings and I'm like, I should really buy a pair. You know, I sort of started browsing around, and I don't really wear too many things other than my hoops and my diamonds. Then I opened the box, lo and behold, and there's a pair of tassel earrings. I'm like, yes. So here's the thing about the box. The tassel earrings from Olive and Piper, how cute are these, are $26. So everything in this box comes to a total retail value of $190. So basically you pay like half of that for the subscription to the box. Tassel earrings, Olive and Piper, so cute. I can't wait to wear these. I'm going to Palm Springs tomorrow, and I'm definitely gonna wear them there. They're gold plated, cute, and they're white, and I love things with neutral colors. Perfect. Okay, on to the next. Okay, I love these. Okay, let's talk about these rose gold measuring spoons. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love to bake. And I just styled Tori from Fresh Nutrition. I styled her for the cover of Fresh magazine a week ago. Oddly enough, I was on her Instagram and I saw these. And so I feel like I had like total kitchen envy when I was styling her. And then I saw these in one of her pictures 2 days ago, and they also showed up in the box. I literally can't believe it. It's almost spooky. But anyway, I feel like it officially makes me cool. So Tori, look at me. I got cool measuring spoons. I love these, and I also love that they're attached. I think they're cool. I'm gonna get into buying more really fancy looking cooking stuff because I think that it looks cool. Rose gold measuring spoons, how cool. And next thing, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is a gauzy tassel scarf by Blush Peony. I'm just gonna it's got lots of stuff on it here. So I'm gonna show you a few ways to tie this quickly. Maybe I'll even do a giveaway for you guys with this actually, because it's so nice. So I'm not gonna take the tag off. One of you guys is gonna win this scarf. Okay, it is a tassel scarf. So pretty. Let me show you. The tassels are on one side only. How do I do that? Okay. Oh, the tassels are just in the corner. Check it out. Tassels in the corner. It's a gorgeous kind of gray blue color. I'm just gonna show you a few ways that you can tie this. One, you can let the corners hang down. Brian's gonna have a fit because this is probably gonna rub on my mic. The tassels hang down in the front. That was really easy. Did you see how I did that? And the other two ends just hang down. How cute is this? You can throw this on with a jean jacket, a white jean jacket, a plain white t-shirt, white jeans. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful and it's perfect for spring. And then if you want, depending on like how tight you're wearing it, you know, this cord, that's in the way. But you can wrap it around a few more times and even tuck it in if you wanted it tighter. Another way that you can do it, I'll show you. Put a loop, like a little hole, and you just put it around your neck. So you're holding one end in one hand, loop in the other, around your neck, and you just put the end through the hole. This used to be my very favorite way of wearing a scarf. And then this just kind of hangs down. That's really cute too. Another thing, this is a beautiful scarf, and especially if you're going somewhere like Palm Springs or whatever, or it's becoming spring or summer, you can actually just use it as a shawl when you're going out for dinner. So you can just throw it over your arms, maybe wearing a tank top, t-shirt, whatever, and it's stunning. Great color. Good pick, Janine. I love this. Anyway, super cute. Okay, so there is your Blush Peony scarf. Next thing in the box, Delilah Organics Natural Skin Therapy favorite, nail and cuticle oil. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm gonna shake it actually. So this just says apply to cuticles, and it's got almond oil, coconut oil, rosehip oil, lemon oil, lime oil, grapefruit oil, peppermint oil, spearmint oil. It goes on, and it goes on like oil, but it's not super oily. It's actually got a bit of a dry finish. And it smells a bit pepperminty. I love this. This is going in my purse. So you'll see it in another video, what's in my purse. That'll be it. Okay, ooh, that was loud. Okay, the next thing, natural and handmade Bloom face drops. Revitalize and energize by Sherry Rome. Okay, I'm just gonna hold that up for you. I'm just taking these out as I see them. This says, nourish your skin back to health with this gorgeous blend of vitamin-packed oil. Considered a beauty secret in Japan, it's non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and making it a super effective moisturizer. To use, gently massage 1 or 2 drops into your face after cleansing for a youthful glow. Best part, they are made in Vancouver, cruelty-free. So I'll put a link to all these products down below, so don't worry about it if you can't remember. I'm just gonna try it on the back of my hand, actually. I wanna see if it has a smell. It smells like roses. Natural and handmade. I just wanted to see if it's oily, I'll let you know. No, not actually. That's crazy. It really absorbed quickly into my skin. Actually, I think I might keep this in my purse too. Also good for hands. Okay, last thing in my box, it's Huna Apothecary Nourish Skin Nutrition Balm. It's made with organic mango butter, pomegranate, avocado, carrot, broccoli, and chia seeds. Check that out. Okay, so this is interesting actually. I also read that. I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, it smells like mango. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I'll just tell you what this is for. This is all natural ingredients, actually from Winnipeg's Huna Apothecary. Winnipeg, I'm from Winnipeg, everyone, just in case you didn't know. It is the first green beauty brand in North America to partner with a major university, carrying out their production and research at the University of Manitoba. That's where I went to school. Crazy, okay. To apply, put a pea-sized amount in your fingers to melt and use it as a night treatment. I love this, and its value is $50, $49. Very cool. This is also going in my purse. I'm about to travel tomorrow, so I think all these things are gonna be coming with me. Anyway, thank you so much, Janine and Simply Beautiful. What a great box. I love everything in here. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll do a giveaway for you guys. I have to keep these because I wanted a pair. But I will do a giveaway for you guys with the Blush Peony scarf. Here's all you have to do to win the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram. That's at stylebykimxo.com. Subscribe on YouTube and leave a comment on both. Then I'm gonna pull one of you guys who has the best comment, and I'm gonna mail you a brand new tassel scarf. Awesome. That's an overview on the BC Living Simply Beautiful box. What a great box. Totally worth your money. Every time it arrives, I'm pumped. I love the box. Thank you guys so much for thinking of me, you guys, and definitely worth your money. Something super fun to subscribe to. I'll see you guys all next week. I just burped.